In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook. Pinning is one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep important emails visible at the top of your inbox so they don't disappear beneath newer messages throughout the day. If you regularly receive lots of emails, you already know how quickly an inbox can become overwhelming. Important conversations can easily get buried under newsletters, notifications, updates, and replies. That's exactly where the pin feature becomes incredibly useful. Think of pinning like placing a sticky note at the top of your desk. The message stays right where you can see it without moving it into another folder or changing its content in any way. It's a fast organization tool that helps you focus on the emails that matter most. Let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer or through your web browser. Once Outlook loads, head to the folder where your email is located. In most situations, this will probably be your inbox, but you can also pin emails from other folders if needed. Now, scroll through your message list and locate the email you want to keep easy to access. This could be a project update, a meeting confirmation, an invoice, a travel reservation, or an important conversation you expect to revisit multiple times during the day. Once you've found the message, move your mouse cursor over the email without opening it. As you hover over the message, Outlook will display a series of quick action icons alongside the email. Depending on your Outlook version, these icons may appear on the right side of the message row or directly beside the sender information. Among these options, look carefully for a small gray thumbtack icon. This is the pin button. Sometimes the quick actions take a second to appear, especially if your inbox is still loading, so don't worry if you don't see the icon immediately. When you find the thumbtack icon, simply click on it once. The moment you click it, you'll notice the thumbtack icon becomes solid, indicating the pin is now active. At the same time, the email automatically moves to the top section of your inbox. Pinned emails stay at the top even as new emails continue arriving throughout the day. This saves you from having to constantly search through your inbox to find the same important message over and over again. For example, if you're working on a project with ongoing updates from coworkers, pinning the conversation ensures it's always within easy reach. The same goes for tickets, reservation details, payment confirmations, or anything else you need to reference frequently. Another great thing about Outlook pinning is that you can pin more than one email at a time. If you pin several messages, Outlook groups them together in a dedicated pinned section near the top of the folder. Within that pinned section, the emails generally continue following your current sorting order, such as newest first or oldest first. This helps keep your inbox organized instead of cluttered. Now let's talk about how to remove a pinned email once you no longer need it at the top. The process is extremely simple. Move your mouse over the pinned email again. You'll now notice the thumbtack icon appears solid instead of gray. Click the thumbtack one more time. As soon as you do, the email returns to its normal position in the inbox according to your current sorting settings. If your inbox is sorted by date, the message will go back to its original spot based on when it was received. Importantly, unpinning does not delete the email, move it, archive it, or change its read status. The only thing that changes is its position in the message list. Now, it's also helpful to understand the difference between pinning, flagging, and categorizing emails because many people confuse these features. Pinning is designed purely for visibility and quick access. It keeps messages at the top of your inbox. Flags are different because they're mainly used as reminders or follow-up tools. You might flag an email if you need to respond later or complete a task connected to that message. Categories, meanwhile, are color-coded labels that help organize emails into groups or topics. You can actually combine all three features together if you want an even more organized workflow. If the thumbtack icon doesn't appear immediately, try hovering more directly over the email row or slightly expanding the Outlook window. In some layouts, quick actions remain hidden until your cursor is perfectly positioned over the message. Also keep in mind that the visual appearance may vary slightly between Outlook Desktop and Outlook on the web, but the pinning process itself works almost exactly the same. And that's it. You now know how to pin and unpin emails in Outlook, so your most important messages always stay front and center in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.